What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Okay, and today we're going to be trying some more snacks. Yay! Ah, boy.
I know,
Let's
right?
do this.
Yep.
So the first one I have is takoyaki ball. No idea what this is. But this is, so it's a Japanese snack, but it was distributed by Thailand. Either way, Japanese snack. You try it first.
I'm the guinea pig. Not bad. It's not bad.
No.
Yeah, it's not bad. I would eat this.
Mommy, whenever octopus when you can so octopus funny.
Loving Jesus, so octopus you give me for eat. Anyways, guys, this one is good.
This one's actually good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. Okay, next one we have is
Lonely
God potato twist. Right. Tomato flavor. And this one is from China.
Okay. Sounds interesting, huh? Lonely God.
Alright, since you did the first, you go first. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's a little twisty, curly. It's kind of
Yeah.
cute. Yeah, it's good. And what she did, she left the worst ones for last.
No. Okay, that was not my fault. Mommy choose this one next. And she did choose wisely. Okay, so the next thing we have is, okay, the original Hui Fang
Oh
Sriracha
my God.
a high tuna jerky from Hawaii. Hawaii.
Her face don't look good over here, guys.
Here come the tears again. And okay, it's not bad. It's not bad.
I would say it's not
Like
red herring, but like it has a little sweet taste to it.
right. So the first time you taste it, it might taste a little funny, but when you get to chewing it, it's not that bad.
It's an acquired taste.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so next one. Peppered tuna jerky.
Oh God, we all know how this one goes.
Fine, I'll try it. Wait, I think I get this from Pumpkin if you try. No, where did you get it from?
Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you. This one cannot be chewed. It's like rubber, plastic. Huh? It's not chewing. Huh? So,
And then kind of sitting here buying up people, you know?
that one is a no. Yeah.
I'm not biased, but you know, see Jamaican
No.
people and make them sit here again nobody thing.
For real.
Okay. Okay, this one. Teriyaki tuna jerky.
Oh God.
God have mercy. Yeah. Whoa, you're gonna bust out singing on the
I
video.
forgot I cannot sing.
But you know why your mommy draw notes.
Okay, this is not rubber.
They want them to your robbery.
This is rubbery. I really don't know how people eat this, but I'm sorry guys, but no. Those tuna jerky stuff, it's not good.
Mm.
I'm gonna fix my mouth back. I'm gonna fix back my taste buds.
That's some pain reliever type sitting there, man. I mean, people grew up on these, so they're used to it, but
no, it's nasty.
I bind them to you in the name of Jesus. No.
For real, for real.
Wait. The whole cross is sitting there.
And this tastes so good.
Probably the hot sauce.
Maybe.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, so
God.
finally, we have Kimbo brand pork song. Kimbo brand pork song.
I need
Guys,
spoon.
this literally look like Kaya. Like, you know the mattress? The old school mattress have the thing called Kaya. That's exactly how it looks. One mommy.
I need spoon, K.
You try it first because you don't live your life already.
Oh, Jesus, K. This not smell right. It smell like some oil something.
Mommy, take one for the team. Let me watch you eat
Blood
and then
seed.
you eat it. You eat it when the thing happen, then me know say me not fit eat it.
Oh, God, K. This not look right. It look like trash. Like
I just have to get the
sponge.
courage,
You know,
okay?
like all sponge. There's sponge where they're on too long.
What comes next? When something's next, juice.
How would you baptize you? No!
Okay.
No, okay. Not do it.
Do you want this one?
Blood CDR tastes like a rotten mattress. CDR tastes like a rotten mattress.
You ever rotten mattress? Honestly, I really don't know what this is, but there's no way.
It tastes like old mattress.
This is not for human consumption. This is wrong.
Then it's so
It tastes horrible when you take it up. It looks like sponge. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but this is what it looks like something
like Kaya.
like cobweb. Something. This is not supposed to be eaten. Sorry.
So guys, this one,
No.
this one is the hard
No.
no. Hard no.
No, 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 no.
This one,
No.
nope. Nope. Well, no. You can eat these two if you don't want to toilet, if you don't want to toilet, you don't want to buy up.
Yeah.
Well, the pepper one might ain't got toilet. This one, this was really good. This was good.
This can get a pass mark. It's
Yeah.
not all that good, but it can be eaten.
Tolerable.
Yeah.
And then this one, really good. So these two,
Yeah.
really good. Oh, free grease batty buying up sitting there. Okay, guys, well, That's it for this week's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Okay? And if you have any snacks that you would like us to try, please just comment below. Okay?
Yep.
Until next time. Bye.
See ya. Peace out.
Come here, take one picture. A joke, a video.